So here we need to match the pioneering physicist with their country of origin. So let's begin. So here we have the first scientist, that's Albert A. Michelson. Michelson was an American. He is from the USA. Then we have Isaac Newton. He is the famous British scientist. He is from the UK. Then we have the most famous Russian scientist, Lev Landau. He's from Soviet Russia. Homi Bhabha is an Indian scientist. Then we have Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr was from Denmark. Then Archimedes is the famous Greek philosopher. We have Galileo Galilei from Italy. Here on this list we have the female scientist, Marie Curie. She is French. We have Werner Heisenberg from Germany. And then finally Hideki Ikawa is from Japan.